X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, this gives us monolayer sensitivity to atomic composition. It also gives us a lot of molecular structural information, and it's an indispensable tool for understanding surface structure, understanding surface treatments, understanding contamination, doing failure analysis, but it's really a laboratory technique, right? It's not something that we can readily use day to day for controlling processes, right? Surface energy measurements via contact angles, right? This again shows us monolayer sensitivity, and it turns out this is a technique that's really indispensable for process development and process control, right? And this is a technique, we're going to talk about this at some length. It doesn't tell us what is on a surface, but it tells us if a surface is changed, right? It tells us if a surface is contaminated. It tells us if a surface hasn't been treated properly. It doesn't tell us why, but it's a great flag for indicating there's a problem with the surface. It makes it a really good process control tool for manufacturing. Contact angle measurements are good for molecular level stuff. X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy is good for molecular level stuff, right? X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy is an extremely powerful reference surface analysis technique that we like to use for process development and process troubleshooting. It's really not deployable as a routine quality assurance measure, right? Intelligent process and product design for products that are surface sensitive, surface and interface sensitive, require measurement tools that are sensitive to the composition and properties of the surface. And by the surface, we're talking about half a dozen molecular layers here. Our surface energy measurements and our wetting measurements done via contact angles, these have surface sensitive measurements equivalent to XPS, especially for things like oxidative surface treatments like corona treatment, plasma treatment, things like that. And the contact angle measurements are conveniently deployable both in labs and manufacturing environments.